Alright, so I don't normally do videos like this, but this stupid little bag impressed me. Um, Seen some videos regarding like a personal item bag to carry on a flight. So this is the Osprey 26 plus 6. Um, I'm going to Dallas for 2 days just to go watch the Hurricanes and come right back. My daughter lives there, so she asked me to take some things for her um, and drop them off. So I just needed to show you like what I was able to put in this bag, as it was quite impressive. So I'm just gonna zip it open. All right, so first of all, my coat. Compression bag, mainly with my daughter's items in it. A jersey for the game. I know I'm gonna get some haters for that. This is a tech bag with some toiletries. I'm staying at my daughter's, so I don't need a whole lot of toiletries. And then this ridiculous size robe. All this in this little bag. Not to mention I have keys and a wallet in there. But this, all this stuff in this little bag, I mean, that's packed with stuff. So I don't know. I thought this was pretty ridiculous for a cheap bag. I'll see how it works. I'll do a video. Now, mind you, it was overstuffed, so technically the width was more than 8 inches because it was packed so tight. But if I just pulled out this jacket, it was within the limits of the stuff. So, I mean, in here I have a pair of sweatpants, some shorts, some shirts, undergarments, and then a bunch of items for my daughter. So it's clothing for my daughter. So it's pretty ridiculous for such a small bag that I was able to fit so much. It's very deceiving. If you're interested, at the moment, I highly recommend it. After I use it a few times, maybe I'll post another video of how it's holding up. All right, just felt like I had to post it.